Welcome to Week 0, Prerequisites and Setup, Module 1, Getting Started with Cocotb. In this module, we'll walk you through setting up your environment for the course. Download VirtualBox from virtualbox.org. Choose the appropriate binary for your operating system. For this example, we're using Windows as the host machine. Install VirtualBox by following the installation prompts on your screen. Next, download the pre-configured virtual machine for this course. You can find it at VerificationXpert.com, downloads, VerificationXpert_Ubuntu.over. Please note, this file is approximately 7 GB in size. Once downloaded, proceed to import this image into VirtualBox. Start the VerificationXpert virtual machine within VirtualBox. Once the VM has booted up, open the Linux terminal from the Applications menu. Activate the Python virtual environment for your project. Now, let's test the Cocotb installation using Cookiecutter Templates from VerificationXpert. Press Enter to accept the defaults. For the simulator, choose option 2, Icarus. After the project is successfully created, change the directory to the inverter project. Type ls to view the files in the directory. You can run the test using one of the three methods. Method 1, using PyTest. Method 2, using makefile. Method 3, running the test directly using Python. You'll observe that all three methods provide similar output. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your environment and tested Cocotb using our Cookiecutter templates.